Yo, what's up guys? It's RJ, about to give you guys the lowdown on my whip. So I like to keep everything pretty tall, so I'm running the Fit top load stem with the Shadow Voltus 9 rise 30 wide. Got the kink lattice bar ends, pretty dope. I got some temporary grips right now, ODI long necks. Then got this Sunday morning V2 forks. Then I got for my wheel, front wheel, Odyssey quadrant laced to Animal Javelin. Running with the Primo Dirt Monster in front, keeping it OG with the little one pegs. And for my frame, I got the Fit Flow Trail. I dig it. 20.75 top tube. I like it. And then I got the Profile Race Cranks, some premium slims. For my sprocket, I got the 28 tooth Burlington, Odyssey Burlington, the mechanic half track chain. And then moving to the back, we got my Primo Remix laced to the Odyssey Quadrant, running with the Aiken tire. And then for my seat, we got the Premium, and then Odyssey seat clamp. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.